Do you think you can make sales on Etsy organically without ads? Yeah, so you can, but product research becomes such a big part of it that if you're a beginner, it's very difficult to do this. So you 100% can, but maybe it will take you 6 months to get 100 orders. Whereas if ads, you're going to take 100, it's going to take you 1 month, right? To get 100 orders. And then second month, you're going to do 300. And it's going to snowball. Whereas organic just can take a lot longer to get up unless you have that winning product. But a winning product is not easy to find. It's much faster to test products when you have ads because then in like a month's time, it's like you're 6xing your learning procedure and you're learning your intuition and everything, right? It's the best thing.
Quick interruption to this video. I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.